Alright, let's be real. When you hear investing, you probably think Wall Street titans, fancy suits, or complicated stock charts, right? Or that you need a massive salary or trust fund just to get started. But what if I told you that you can start investing in college right now with just $20 a week? And that small habit could literally turn into six figures by the time you're 40? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down how to start investing as a student, the exact beginner-friendly apps to use, and the simple lazy portfolio strategy that beats most pros. Section 1, the silent tax nobody talks about. Pull up your banking app. See that balance? Feels safe, right? Wrong. Inflation, aka the silent tax, is eating away at your money every single year. On average, prices rise about 3% annually. That means your $20 today might only buy you $13 worth of stuff in 10 years. Leaving money in a checking account is like watching it melt in slow motion. That's why investing for beginners isn't optional, it's protection. It keeps your money growing faster than inflation, and it's the only homework that actually pays you back. Section 2, Compound Interest, the Student Millionaire Hack. Here's where it gets exciting, compound interest. Let's say you put $20 a week into an S&P 500 ETF like VO or SPY. Over 4 years in college, that's about $3,300 invested. Historically, that could grow into over $4,000 by graduation. But here's the millionaire hack: if you leave it invested and keep adding small amounts, by your 30s you could easily have six figures. That's the magic of starting young. Your time in the market is worth more than the dollars you put in. Imagine your future self sending you a thank you note for hitting $100,000 before 40, all from $20 a week. Section 3, Risk is your advantage. Most people fear risk. But as a student, risk is your superpower. You don't need that money next month. You've got decades to recover. When the market dips, don't panic, celebrate. Market crashes are basically Black Friday sales for ETFs. You're buying shares at a discount while everyone else is scared. Drop a comment: would you be brave enough to keep buying if the market crashed tomorrow? Section 4, Toolkit, Best Investing Apps for Students. Here are 3 apps I recommend to friends who are just starting. 1. Public.com, commission-free trades, fractional shares, plus a social feed where you can learn from others. Think of it as Instagram for investing. 2. Ally Invest, 0 commissions, no account minimums, and often sign-up bonuses. Clean and beginner-friendly. 3. Webble, for data lovers. Advanced charts without the Wall Street price tag. Don't overthink it. Pick one app tonight and make your first investment. Waiting is way more expensive than choosing the wrong app. Section 5, the lazy portfolio that beats most pros. Forget meme stocks. The smartest move? Buy the entire market with an S&P 500 ETF. That's 500 of the biggest US companies: Apple, Google, Amazon, all in one basket. Warren Buffett himself says most people should just invest this way. Set it, forget it, and let it grow while you focus on exams instead of stock charts. Section 6, Live Demo with $20. I just opened Public on my phone. Typed VOO. Hit buy. Selected fractional shares. Entered $20. Toggled Auto Invest Weekly. Done. Took 22 seconds. No excuses, it's literally faster than scrolling TikTok. Section 7, Micro-investing for broke students. If $20 feels steep, try micro-investing. Apps like Public or Acorns round up your purchases and invest the spare change. That $4.25 latte? The extra 75 cents gets invested automatically. Over time, those invisible pennies can stack into hundreds of dollars a year. Wealth building without even noticing. Section 8, Tax-free hacks your parents wish they had. Here's the cheat code: Roth IRA. If you earn even a little income tutoring, part-time job, internships, you can open one. Money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. One semester of pizza shift money could set you up with $1 million tax-free account. Search Roth IRA for beginners after this video, you'll see how powerful it is. Section 9, Behavioral traps to avoid. 3 rules. Ignore Reddit hype stocks. Don't check your portfolio hourly. Never invest rent money. Your portfolio is not a casino, it's a long-term growth machine. Discipline beats emotion every single time. Section 10. What if the market crashes tomorrow? If the market tanks tomorrow? Perfect. That's dollar cost averaging. You'll buy more shares cheap and ride the recovery. Historically, markets always recover stronger. So instead of panicking, think sweet discount day. Section 11. Level up with international diversification. Once you've got a few $100s invested, add global exposure. An ETF like VT gives you stocks from around the world in a single ticker. Diversification made simple. Section 12. Common objections, crushed. I don't have money. Fractional shares start at $1. I don't get stocks. You're buying the whole economy, not one company. I'll wait till I have a real job. Waiting costs you thousands in lost compounding. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right after this video. So, are you ready to start investing in college with just $20? Link below gets you a free stock on Public when you deposit your first 20. Smash the like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and join the Money Moves community. Your financial freedom starts today. Let's go.